Hey, I'm Some Idiot Cooking, and today I have a new segment, Science Kitchen, where I answer your questions about food.
Long ago, before humanity. No, wait. Before the Earth even existed. There were two entities floating through the vacuum of space. Science and kitchen. Then there was a big bang. And they got fused together. Ew, no, I don't want to fuse with him.
And there was Science Kitchen.
And today on Science Kitchen, we're going to be doing an experiment. With eggs. An experiment! Good one, high five, man! An experiment. You ruined it. My show's fucking ruined. Now I've heard a lot about the 6-minute egg recently and how it's the perfect egg, but that got me thinking, can I just trust these random people telling me that 6 minutes is the best amount of time to boil an egg? No. I can't trust anyone. So yeah, let's find the ideal amount of time to boil an egg using science. So we'll do 1 through 10 minute boiled eggs, then we'll do an hour version and a 72-hour version. Boiling eggs is easy. There's just a couple of rules you need to follow. Put your eggs into already boiling water, and when they're finished, put them into cold water to stop them from cooking more. And since it's so simple to do, you probably don't need to watch me do it, actually. So instead, I'll give all of you guys a sneak peek at my upcoming HBO comedy special. What is every egg's favorite physical activity? No. Running. How can you tell if your eggs have gone bad? You gotta check your mattress and see if there's any money stashed in there. Okay, tough crowd, it's alright. What's the best kind of egg to cook on a Friday? A fried egg. Right? Every comedian likes, the yolk. Sounds like joke. It's okay. Oh. We can pretty much assume that our 1-minute egg and our 2-minute egg are completely inedible. Our third egg, on the other hand, is also inedible. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Fall, 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 fall. As for the 4-minute egg, garbage.
And here are the eggs. I could hardly even peel the 5-minute egg without it falling apart. 6 minutes, I mean, that's a little runny, honey. 7 minutes? That's a jammy mammy. 8 minutes? That's still a little thicky sticky. At 9 minutes, we're already getting chalky, okay? At 10 minutes, it just is what it is, you know? At 60 minutes, you start getting this green zombie film and just chalk, which is disgusting. And my 3-day egg literally exploded.
So what's the verdict? Look, I'm a human being, rife with compassion. I understand that every person has a different taste. Everyone enjoys what they enjoy. And that's truly a beautiful thing. But if you're gonna boil your egg for more than 8 minutes, you deserve to be executed.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I tell you all about it when I see you again.